exciting news. The OnePlus 12 might be coming here sooner than we thought. OnePlus has put out a teaser with a little cinematic and some brief showing of the OnePlus 12. We saw some images leak over the last couple of days. It looks nice. If you like what the OnePlus 11 looks like, which I do. So I'm pretty happy about that. But it looks like they've even made the camera look a little bit better. We've got a couple things that are confirmed, at least from what I can see. It looks like they're still going to have a 3x telephoto, which is good. And it looks like they're, again, working with Hasselblad. I think this is like the 4th generation with their cooperation. And it's going to be launching in China on December the 5th. Now, you're probably saying, okay, Adam, why are you talking to me about the OnePlus 12 launching in China? I don't care if it launches in China. Well, it always launches in China before it launches in the US. And I'm very interested by something because, well, last year, the OnePlus 11, actually this year, it launched in China on January, it was like the 5th, I think, January 3rd, January 5th. This one is launching an entire month earlier. And this is a pattern that we might be seeing because we looked at the S24 rumors and it seems pretty solid now. It might be having their announcement date in the middle of January. I think it was like January the 17th, if I remember correctly, but right around the middle of the month, which is a couple weeks earlier too. So I'm sitting here wondering, maybe we might be getting these phones a couple weeks earlier than even last year. Because last year, what happened, it launched the beginning of January for the OnePlus 11, and then in February, it launched in the US and India. So that would be cool. I like the OnePlus phones. And there's one big change, which you can call it big. I think it's pretty minor, but I think it's actually a needed change. So they're not getting rid of the alert slider. So keep your clothes on. No need to tear them. No need to get angry and pick it in the streets. We are going to move it, or they're moving it to the left side. And I actually like this change. And they said it's for a couple of different reasons. One, because they're going to have a better, different located, I guess, antenna that's going to be over on that side of the phone. But two, I think it might help out a little bit maybe with the structural integrity of the phone, because as we've seen with J-Rig everything and his propensity to snap some phones, the OnePlus phones haven't held up so well the last couple of years because of that weakness in the chassis on that side where they have to have the opening for the alert slider or wherever the metal connects together. So I'm hoping maybe if they move it to the left side, maybe that will help it out a little bit. But also, we're still going to have, it looks like an antenna port over there. So I don't know. Moral of the story is the phones have been fine. No, surprisingly, they haven't been breaking in half in people's pockets. But you probably shouldn't try and German suplex your OnePlus phone or any phone with your fingers. Because, like, we know that we can even crush the back end on the iPhone 15 Pro series doing that now because the back is more fragile. But anyway, so the other main reason they're talking about moving over to the left side is to improve gaming. Yes, to improve gaming. So when you're holding on to the phone, your finger is not resting on top of an alert slider. So we'll see how it works out in practicality. I'm sure some diehard OnePlus fans will be like, they're moving our alert slider, but look, it's still going to be there. It's just going to be on the left side. I'm actually all in. Fine with me. Move it to the left side. Of course, we're going to have the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3, and it's going to have all the other great stuff. So I'm excited about this. I love the OnePlus phones. I really love the OnePlus 11. One of the best phones that we've had this year. Had some great deals on it. I think right now you can get the OnePlus 11 128 gigabyte model for like 500 something bucks. That's how it's been at Best Buy. And you could get this 256 for like 649, I think still. But they've had some good deals on it. And it's been a great phone because you got the Snapdragon 8 Generation 2. I'm curious to see what kind of elevation we get because I know there's more of an emphasis with the machine learning and AI trying to make these phones smarter with the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3. A lot of that is done on the chip. Like it has to have the brains to be able to deal with like the software updates and the changes and the things that actually utilize AI and machine learning. So I'm hoping we'll see even a more better improvement in the computational photography. I'd like to see a really, really good big change come out of that with Hasselblad. That's been one of the things. A lot of people have called the Hasselblad cooperation Hasselbad because, you know, it's not been the best with some of the phones, kind of more in name or color science. I'd really like to see a more direct, involved approach with Hasselblad with the overall camera performance and not so much as color science. But a lot of this is going to be computational photography too, like what we see with the Pixel and other phones at this time. And I like the 3x telephoto. I think that that's been a good thing. I don't really care that much about a 10x telephoto. I know there's been a lot of people that seem really upset that the S23 Ultra series might be throttling it back from a 10x to a 5x. So if you're really upset and you want to have the 10x so you can get the 100x super zoom, maybe hold on to the S23 Ultra. But that's all I got. I just want to talk about this. Fresh news straight after the holidays. You got to see a little bit of the teaser here, some of my commentary. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you think OnePlus is still a good phone? There's been a lot of excitement with the OnePlus Open. It's been a fantastic phone. Everybody's been just ranting and raving about it in a positive way, and I think OnePlus did a really good job there. So if we can keep up the momentum with the OnePlus 12 and they can still keep the pricing good and low and competitive, I think it's going to make for an exciting beginning to the year, especially, look, I think we're going to see them earlier. I think the S24 series is coming early. I think the OnePlus series is coming early, and that's good because, well, more excitement already, and then we'll see what happens with the rest of the phone year. But yeah, I think the OnePlus 11 has held up really well. I would love to have it in my hand to talk about. I ended up giving it to somebody earlier this year because they had some misfortune and lost their phone, so I was trying to be a good Samaritan there. But I don't have it to talk about. But the OnePlus 12 is not out, so yeah, it's not in my hand yet. But I'm sure I'll probably get one. I've worked with OnePlus for several years, so my anticipation is that I will probably get one. Even if I don't get one, I will buy one. So one way or the other, it will be covered for this channel. And I'm looking forward to it. I like to see when these new things come out. So hopefully you had a good, happy holiday. Hopefully you had a good Thanksgiving. Hopefully if you traveled, you were safe. You got some good food, got to spend some time with your family, maybe picked up a gift or two for a loved one or yourself. Some self-love with your wallet is always a good thing. I'm always buying stuff, much to my wife's chagrin. But yeah, so exciting time of the year. Today is Cyber Monday, so who knows? Maybe there's some deals out there. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and sign off for now. So questions, comments, all that stuff, you know what to do. If you enjoyed the video, please, of course, hit the like and the subscribe button and a little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.